Today is day number 2. Oh man. I'm just getting out of my house. It's about 9:15. My first appointment is at 10:30. I only have 3 hours to work today. Not much, but hopefully it will go nice and smooth. Stay tuned. Let's see what happens. We made it to the customer super early. I mean, not super early. I'm 30 minutes early. This is my first job of the day. We're here. It's not too far. So very important for you to have the TaskRabbit app on if you're a tasker. If you're a customer, wow, for customer you could find from anything to anything in TaskRabbit app. They have from people that can come and cook for you. They have they could do your yard. They could help you to move. Which moving job is what I've been hiring the most. Since we're in New York City, there's a lot of work. I'm still waiting for the IKEA confirmation to start working with them. That's my goal. So hopefully pretty soon I could be telling you a lot more stories. Alright, I just finished my first job. It was just a mattress, a couple of blocks from one place to another. It was actually like 11 blocks, and she had a helper over there. He wasn't a tasker, it was a friend. But we made it in about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Okay, so I contacted the second customer I have for today. It was supposed to be at 2. Since I finished a little earlier, I was trying to make it before 2. Probably I could get more jobs. Once I contact the customer say that he needed to reschedule. I needed to pick up something, computer desk, bring it to him. Fortunately, the person who were giving me the computer desk is not available today. I don't know, he said he confirmed, but I guess things happen, whatever. But right away I text back the customer, say, listen, so can we reschedule for Monday at 1? Customer was agreed to it. I rescheduled the delivery. Then I called the wife, like, oh, listen, I have no work. Right now I'm going home. But I opened my tax for a same day, just in case, once I was rescheduled, my schedule opened up. Because you could choose the hours depending on what jobs you already have. It's super easy. So I told her, oh, hopefully I get a same day today. And guess what? I hung up with her and right away, boom, I got another task. Okay, I don't know how the quality that's coming out. This is from the camera. I have my own camera, but I wanted to show you guys. I had a cancellation, so basically about 45 minutes ago, I only have one job for today at 6:30, but they keep on texting me. And now I wanted to show you this. I have, oh, you cannot really see, but I have this, and I'm about to schedule another one for today. It says please schedule, and they keep on texting. So if you guys want to make, if you guys looking for an app where you could be your own boss, work as much as you want, like right now I'm parked, taking my time. I'm about to go eat something right now. I'm close to the next one, which I confirmed just 45 minutes ago. And then I'm confirming another job for today at 3. I'm gonna show you how easy it is. I'm talking to a customer now. So this is the chat. They use a chat to communicate with the customer. She texts the number, but it's not supposed to. You're always supposed to use the app by itself. So all I do, awesome. So you press in tax details, you come here, confirm the task, confirm the time, and then they're gonna ask you more or less how many hours do you think you're gonna do this job. So because it's like 2 trips, we're gonna do 2 hours probably, and then I would save it. Save. Now they will confirm to the customer that they've been scheduled. Okay, so I finished my first day, my second job of the day. I did it in about 20 minutes. It didn't take me that long. It was just the mattress, the luggage. That's pretty much it. So right now, my next job is at 3:30. I just texted the customer. They haven't replied yet, but I'm trying to do it a little earlier to open my schedule again. Probably I'll get more some days. I definitely recommend it. We are arriving to the third job. Wow, the guys that I just did a couple of minutes ago, they gave me a great tip. That's really appreciated. They only pay 1 hour. They gave me $8 tip for no work. I don't know how much is the maximum, the minimum. I have no idea how it works. I'm pretty new. Today is my second day. Wanted to tell you guys also, I just received an email from TaskRabbit saying that I can participate to get $100 extra because I already completed my first 5 jobs, and then you can apply for those $100. I had to wait for the customer, but this was like a steal. It took me literally 20 minutes to do this job. The minimum the customer have to pay is 1 hour, but so I make 1 hour in 20 minutes. That's super great. Now I'm going home.
Today's lesson: get more, spend less.
Okay, sharing a little bit of my day. This is my day of work. Did a couple of jobs. Now I'm going to the park to pick up my kid. It started raining. Yeah, that's how you be your own boss. Then I have another job later on today. Customer called me. It might be a little later than scheduled, but that's super fine.